Hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome back. So today we bring to you a puzzle straight from the beach. Are you ready? Okay. So there are 50 shacks on a beach in a row numbered 1 till 50 and all these shacks are closed. A swimmer comes and opens all these shacks. After him, swimmer 2 goes and he closes all the shacks which are multiples of 2. So basically shack 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Then swimmer 3 goes and he changes the state of shacks which are multiples of 3. What that means is if the shack is open, then swimmer 3 will close it, and if the shack is closed, then swimmer 3 will open it. For example, in this case, shack number 3, which is currently open, will be closed by swimmer 3, whereas shack number 6, which was closed by swimmer 2, will be opened by swimmer number 3. After him, swimmer 4 goes and changes the state of all the shacks which are multiples of 4. And this keeps on happening till swimmer 50 goes and changes the state of shack number 50. Now, can you tell after this round has been completed, how many shacks will be open?
You may want to pause the video, think about the solution, and post your answers in the comments. Okay, so the answer is 7 shacks will be open in the end. There are 3 things we need to do in order to solve this. First, we need to understand that shacks whose state has been altered an even number of times will remain closed at the end because all shacks are closed at the beginning, whereas shacks whose state has been altered an odd number of times are the ones which will be open at the end. Second thing to understand is the number of times that a shack's state is altered is equal to the number of factors that the shack number has got. So for example, shack number 2 has got 2 factors, 1 and 2. Therefore, its state is altered 2 times and it will be closed at the end. Whereas shack number 4 has got 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. That's why its state is open at the end. The third thing to realize is that shacks which are therefore open will need to have an odd number of factors, and only perfect squares can have odd number of factors because every other number will have an even number of factors, since for any given factor there will be a complementary factor with which you will multiply the factor to arrive at the number. Whereas in the case of perfect squares, there is one particular factor which needs to be multiplied by itself in order to arrive at the shack number. So in conclusion, we need to determine how many perfect squares are there from 1 to 50, and that's 7. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square till 7 square. Hope you liked this puzzle. This is a question that I sometimes ask in interviews as well.
Stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Thank you.